Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will add the project file link in my description below. You can check it from there. So first let's click to here to create a new composition and let's rename it to Campfire. And from here let's keep these settings and click OK. Now the first thing that we're gonna do, just select the pen tool. You can just click to here or press G and let's write a one drop like this. And then connect this one to here. Nice. Let's click to this line and let's change it like this a little bit. And move this one to here. Nice. And now let's go to FX presets and let's search for wave warp. And let's drag and drop it to our shape layer. And from here let's change the wave height. Let's make it 40. And change the wave width. Let's make it 300. Let's see. Okay, and select the shape layer, go to first, second, and then go to puppet pin and let's move the anchor point to the down to here. Let's see. Okay, also let's select the direction and let's move it to here and make it 0. Let's see again. Nice. And now let's select the shape layer and let's move it to here and let's duplicate with Ctrl D, or you can go to the edit and click to duplicate and select the shape layer tool. Let's move it to the left and select the shape layer tool, press S and uncheck here and let's change the size like this and move to here. Let's duplicate the shape layer one again and move to the right, and from here go to FX controls and change the wave height to -40. And let's move it to here and press S. Let's change the scale a little bit. And let's duplicate one more time and move to the right and press S. Let's change the scale and move to here. Select shape layer 2 and duplicate it again and move to here and press S. And let's change this one like this. Let's preview it. Okay, nice. Let's duplicate this shape layer 3 again and move to here and press S. Let's uncheck here and change this size and move to here. Let's preview it. Okay, now let's make them randomly. So for that, let's do it one by one. Select the shape layer 2 and change the wave height to, let's make it 30, and change the wave width. Let's make it 360. And select the shape layer 3. Let's keep the wave height and change the wave width. Let's make it 320. And select the shape layer 4. Let's change this one like this. And also change the wave width. And shape layer 5. Let's make it like this. And change the wave width. And lastly, shape layer 6. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, there is a gap between these layers. So to fix that, let's select the shape layer 6 and press Ctrl D to duplicate it and move it to here. And go to FX controls and let's change this one to +35. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now let's select all these shape layers and right mouse, let's pre-compose them and let's rename to Campfire. And click OK and then go to FX presets and let's search for fill. And let's double click to here and let's go to color and let's change the color code. I'm gonna use this color code and click OK. Now let's go to FX presets again and let's search for glow to make it more realistic and double click to here and select this fill. Let's move it to the down, and from glow settings let's change some settings like this and change the color. Let's use this color. Now select this campfire again. Let's press Ctrl D and press S. Let's change the scale a little bit and go to fill. Let's go to color and let's make it a little bit lighter and click OK. Select the second composition and move it to the down. Let's preview it. Okay, nice. This one looks really realistic. And I have imported this layer. So let's test it. Select this campfire and let's link this one and select this campfire, press S and let's change the scale a little bit and let's move it to the center to here and a little bit more. Okay, and then right mouse here, go to new and let's create a new solid. And let's click to eyedropper and select this color and let's rename it to background. Click OK and let's move it to down. Nice. Let's preview it. Okay, nice. This one looks really cool. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.